Hello. Do you have a book written and just can't break into traditional publishing? Or perhaps you've wondered whether or not self publishing might be an option for you. My name is April Cox, and I'm the author of Self Publishing Made Simple. It is a program that helps authors to walk through the self publishing process. And I have put this out for free for you, and I invite you to go ahead and take advantage of this free course. There's about 2.5 hours worth of material here for free to help you, number one, understand what self-publishing is, what is involved, what is the process, what's the difference between traditional and self-publishing, and it helps you determine whether or not self-publishing is right for you. It also will help you be much wiser when you are approached by predatory publishers or others who would seek to take advantage of this dream of yours to get this book published. I don't want you to become a victim. There's a lot of information packed into this free course. I'm putting it out there as my gift to the author community. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe to this channel, share the information, and come to selfpubmadesimple.com so you can be aware of any new courses, resources, tools, and activities that I have going on. There is a lot coming, and I want you to be a part of that. So join me and let's make self-publishing simple. See you there.